Hello, good morning, my dear children. Welcome to online class. Myself, Mr. Ravindra Kumar Jhankar, welcomes you all. My dear children, let's enjoy a motivational song. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. In that farm he had some ducks, E-I-E-I-O. In that farm he had some ducks, E-I-E-I-O. Quack, quack here and quack, quack there. Quack, quack here and quack, quack there. Here quack, there quack, everywhere quack, quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. My dear children, today we will learn the lesson The Magic Garden of Class 3, Subject English, Part 1. My dear children, in this part we will practice how to read the words, how to read the sentence, and how to read the story with proper pronunciation. And we'll also learn the spelling of new words of this lesson. And the lesson is The Magic Garden of your textbook, that is lesson 2. Dear children, this is your Marigold, Book 3, Class 3, English. It is prescribed by NCERT, National Council of Educational Research and Training. Our topic is The Magic Garden. It is adapted from the Fairy Garden. Margaret H. Bolton is the writer of this lesson. Margaret H. Bolton, you can see the picture. Yes, she is Margaret H. Bolton. She born on 1872 and died on 1957 at the age of 84 years. Her contribution to the literature is The Fairy Garden. Your lesson, The Magic Garden, has adapted from the Fairy Garden. My dear children, let's start the lesson with a beautiful garden song. This song describes about the garden. Let's start. There is a garden in my school. Flowers in it are so beautiful. There is a garden in my school. Flowers in it are so beautiful. Sunflower, roses, and marigold. Sunflower, roses, and marigold. Poppies and pansies seem like a gold. There is a garden in my school. Flowers in it are so beautiful. Hundreds of little gardeners water the plants. Hundreds of little gardeners water the plants. sing and dance, flower of the plant. There is a garden in my school. Flowers in it are so beautiful. We love the little children, said a tiny bird. We love the little children, said a tiny bird. As the little children kind and bringing them bread. There is a garden in my school. Flowers in it are so beautiful. Children come to the garden, laughing and singing. Children come to the garden, laughing and singing. Flowers of the garden, listen them stop dancing. There is a garden in my school. Flowers in it are so beautiful. Fairies come out dancing to talk with the children. Fairies come out dancing to talk with the children. Their dresses made of flowers, wings made of golden sunshine. There is a garden in my school. Flowers in it are so beautiful. Flowers in it are so beautiful. Flowers in it are so beautiful. So now, dear children, open your book, The Magic Garden, and we have to read the lesson with proper pronunciation of the words, and you have to follow. So let's start how to read. The magic garden was in a school playground. It was very pretty. Sunflowers and roses stood high against the wall. There were also marigolds, poppies and pansies. The sunshine fell on this garden more than on any other, and the flowers danced and sang happily. They said to one another, "We have hundreds of little gardeners." They were the children from the school. One sunny morning, the flowers were talking to the birds. "I love all the children, but I love the dear little ones most of all," said a poppy. "I like them to bring their watering cans and water my thirsty roots." Now, see the next page, page number 5. "We love the little children," said a tiny bird. "They are kind and they bring bread for us." All the flowers said, "We must work hard to make our dresses very pretty, for the children will be here soon." The sun said, "I will help you also, for nothing pleases me better than to see the children running about in the golden sunshine." Suddenly, the children came out laughing and singing, and the flowers stopped their songs to listen to them. "Oh, look at the tall sunflower," said one child, and the sunflower lifted its head very proudly. Another child said, "I love the marigold in its golden dress." The marigold smiled happily. Now you turn the page number 6 of your book and listen carefully. It was indeed a magic garden because it had fairies too. They danced and sang sweet songs which only the children could hear. After a time, the fairies came out, dancing and talked with the children. Their dresses were made of flowers and their wings of sunshine. The magic garden was quiet that night. The flowers and birds were asleep and dreaming of the next day when the children would come again. So this is the way how to read the words, how to read the sentence, and how to read the story. I hope you have to practice at home with proper pronunciation. Okay? So now, my dear children, come to the new words of the lesson, The Magic Garden. Here are some words that you have to write 3 times in your notebook, and you have to learn the spelling of the words. So some of our new words are magic, dig, against, sunshine, lifted, quiet, dreaming, gardener, again, garden, fairy, wings, thirsty, fairies, asleep, golden, playground, indeed. So these are some of the new words. You have to note it down in your notebook, and you have to learn. So dear children, this is all about today's class. In this class we learned how to read the word with proper pronunciation, how to read the sentence, and how to read the story. And we also learned different words, the new words from this lesson and its spelling. Now it is your time to test yourself what you have learned from today's class. So now you can see here I have given some questions. Question number 1. Complete the sentences. There are 10 incomplete sentences. You have to complete the sentence. You have to bring the word from the lesson, and this number 1 carries 10 marks, and you have to complete it by writing the words, the missing words from the sentence. You can take help from the lesson, The Magic Garden. In test yourself, the next question is number 2. Complete the words. There are 10 incomplete words you have given. You have to fill in the blanks. You have to write the missing letter, and you have to complete the words. So number 2 also carries 10 marks. So dear children, in this test yourself, full mark is 20 marks. You have to write down the answer, and you have to evaluate yourself how much you score out of 20. Okay, so this is all about today's class. So dear children, thank you for watching the video and attending the class. This is part 1, and we'll meet in part 2 of this lesson, The Magic Garden. Stay at home, stay safe. Bye bye. See you in part 2. Thank you.